So this is how you do a fly stitch. So you can either do singular stitches or chain a whole load together. So to do a single fly stitch, you want to bring your needle up through the fabric. So to do a single stitch, bring your needle up through the fabric. And then come across as if you're going to do a straight stitch just here. And then leave a loop and bring the needle up back through in the middle of the stitches, but just slightly further down, and pull that tight. Pull that tight and then bring it down to create a stem. And there you have a singular fly stitch. So again, bring the needle back up through the fabric. So we're going to bring it up roughly in line with where that one ended. Bring it across the fabric as if you're going to create a straight stitch from here to here. And then bring the needle back up through the fabric at the bottom of this first stitch, if you can. And pull that tight. And then create your next stitch. You can create a fly stitch without the stem. So for example, if I bring it up here and across as if I'm creating a straight stitch. Leave a loop here and then bring the needle up again through the center. And then you just want to almost bring it, so if I just move this out the way, you're going to bring your needle back down into the fabric on this side where you've just brought it up. And back through. And pull it tight to create almost a V shape. So again, bring it up. And across. To create a U shape. Then bring the needle up through the fabric here and pull it tight, and then tack the stitch down just by going just over the other side of the V, and back down into the fabric and tack it down. And that's how you do a fly stitch.